हरिः ओं कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं वाल्मीकेर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति पराङ्गतिं जयत्यतिबलो रामः लक्ष्मणस्य महाबलः राजा जयति सुग्रीवो राघवेण विपालितः दासोऽहं कौसलेन्द्रस्य रामस्य अक्लिष्टकर्मणः हनुमान् शत्रुसैन्यानां निहन्ता मारुतात्मजः न रावणसहस्रं मे युद्धे प्रतिफलं भवेत् शिलाभिस्तु प्रहरतः पादपैश्च सहस्रशः अर्धयित्वा पुरीं लङ्काम् अभिवाद्य च मैथिलीं समृद्धार्तो गमिष्यामि मिषतां सर्वराक्षसां नमोस्तु रामाय सलक्ष्मणाय देव्यै च तस्यै जनकात्मजायै नमोस्तु रुद्रेन्द्रयमानिलेभ्यो नमोस्तु चन्द्रार्कमरुद्गणेभ्यः நாடிய பொருள் கைகூடும் ஞானமும் புகழும் உண்டாம் வீடியல் வழியது ஆக்கும் வேரியம் கமலை நோக்கும் நீடிய அரக்கர் சேனை நீருபட்டு அழிய வாகை சூடிய சிலை ஈராமன் தோள்வலி கோருவார்க்கே நமசபாயை। श्रद्धालु लोग के पादारविंद चरणों में दासस्य करबद्ध विनम्रता पूर्वकम प्रणामजलि नमस्सभायै। श्री रामायण आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग लेक्चर्स सीरीज में टुडे इज 76th लेक्चर। टुडे इज 76th लेक्चर। It is about sakyam, adhambena sakyam, non-deceptive, true affection. Adhambena sakyam, non-deceptive, true affection. ये तो रामायण है। Where are we? पूर्वकथा संग्रहश्च जेना नामनि नौका वडे भव सिंधु तरत जना ते प्रार्थना पोते करे बोलता दीन बचन। वो परब्रह्म तो सौशील्य के इतना सौशील्य के वो तो एक उदाहरण है। उदाहरण पुरुष, मर्यादा पुरुष एवं उदाहरण पुरुष। भव सिंधु तरत जन ते पोते प्रार्थना करे। He was दीन। So he is on the banks of Ganga. What is Ganga? Ganga Mangala Moola Sumangala Dama Saraka Jana Tarani Surasarini. Giridhar Das. So we are on that Gata. Adhambena Sakyam. Unhypocritical. True affection. Niswartha Kainkaryam. Very important. What Grantha we are studying? We are studying Ramayana. What is the significance of Ramayana? Ramayana is the only Grantha where there is no sarcha about the Dukkha Nidhe Kale Rajan. Sukha Brahmam says to Parikshit. There is not even a single word in Ramayana about Dukkha Nidhe Kale. It doesn't talk about Dukkha Nidhi. Kali is, it doesn't refer Kali as a Dukkha Nidhi. वो तो पारमार्थिक विषय में it doesn't talk about negativism. It doesn't talk about pessimism. Ramayana never refers this dukkha, it tells about the dukkha we go through in the form of Rama going through the dukkha. But it is always optimistic. Whereas Bhagavad में शुरू में ही है कले ये राजन कलौ दुक्का निधे। But Ramayana is one. मेरा तो रामायण में इतना आधार है, इसलिए so Ramayana is one step ahead of Bhagavad. The second step is very important. याथार्थ्य में in our own present time, why this Ramayana is very important. प्रातस्मरणीय परम पूजनीय धर्म सम्राट करपात्री महाराज का पहला कथा वचन तो रामायण से शुरू हुआ। व्रजभूमि में कर्पात्री महाराज तो उसका मधुरवाणी माणिक्य खंड से उत्पन्न प्रथम कथा वचन तो रामायण ही है, पुण्यात्मा। सो इसीलिए रामायण तो इतना श्रेष्ठ है। व्रजभूमि में, दैट टू इन वृंदावन, कर्पात्री महाराज तो इवन टू टेल हिज नेम दास का अर्हत नहीं है, इसीलिए मैंने क्षमा मांगा। धर्म सम्राट थे, महाज्ञानी, हमारे काल में था। उसका प्रथम कथावाचन तो रामायण से शुरू हुआ, क्योंकि ये तो मंगल दाता। ट्रस्ट मी। I will begin with a story and I would like Shreyas to take the clip. ये तो रामायण सत्य ग्रंथ, इट इज एप्लीकेबल प्रैक्टिकल। क्या रामायण? राम भरोसो राम भले, राम नाम विश्वास, समरित शुभ मंगल कुशल मांगता तुलसीदास। सुमरित शुभ मंगल कुशल मांगता तुलसीदास। Trust me. Only thing is you need to have Vishwas. Lot of people are hurting. Trust me. दास के जीवन में अभी प्रस्तुत काल में हाउ रामायण हेल्प्स। आज का चर्चा का विषय तो अधम्बेन सख्यम, ट्रू फ्रेंडशिप, हाउ रामायण हेल्प्स। प्रत्यक्ष I am witnessing it. Even though it is a personal thing, there is no harm in telling because it is only going to uplift many people. I went for my checkup. It never happened. Why? Uski icha. My pulse rate went to 125. Suddenly, although the nurse practitioner, she knows that my pulse rate is normally high, but not to that level. I was shocked. It came down, nothing alarming. Then came home. I was just mentioning this to my Saka, with whom I have been in friendship for 30 years. PhD MD, Canada में है। मैंने इसी प्रसंग में कभी बार उसका नाम तो लिया। I said Ramayana is living. I said it went 125. Madhav is witness. So it went to 125 and then he said that, he asked, what is the discussion you are doing in the temple these days? I am talking about true friendship. ये तो MD PhD, नॉर्मली MD इज बहुत पढ़ाई, वो तो MD PhD किया, रिकॉम्बिनेंट DNA में किया, शुद्ध आत्मा। Ram, if something happens to you and you are admitted today and you have an heart attack, next flight I am there in Labak. वही अधम्बे न सक्यम। Then I said, धन्य वो, मैं तो गुह का नाम स्मरण कर रहा हूं। Look at it, रामायण gives you प्रत्यक्ष सका, सका समसका, आत्म समसका। Can you believe? Once doctor's schedule is put for 6 months, it is very difficult to change it unless otherwise immediate family emergency. He said, don't worry. Once you get admitted, the next day I'll be here from Toronto. I said, why this happened? Such a Shuddha Saka. I'm seeing what Rama witnessed in Guha. Das is seeing. That is Ramayana. Ramayana, Ram may test you. But if you have Vishwas, Ramayana is pratyaksha for you. That is what Tulsidas says. Rama bharose. Keep faith in Rama. Rama bhale. He gives you strength. Rama nama bisvas. Just think, Samirita. If you just think about Rama, he will definitely won't let you down. Samirita Subha Mangala Kusala. We are not asking him. That Mahapurusha has already asked for us. Mangata Tulasi Dasa. पूर्व कथा संग्रहश्च राम तो गंगा तट पे है, 3 दिन उसने कुछ नहीं खाया। पुनर्वसु पुष्य आश्लेषा दिन। So it so happened, पुष्पित काननः वसंत ऋतु चैत्र अहम मासः चैत्र श्रीमान पुष्पित कानन वाल्मीकि वाक. So Dasarath was very elated and he said, I am Masaha Chaitra Sriman Pushpita Kanana. Hey beta, this Chaitra Mas to mere prasanna karta hai. Sabhi kanan mein pushp. Idhar udhar pushp hai. One to sabhi pushp mein hai. Dasaratha was thinking that he is going to be crowned. That is the reason all the Vanadevatas are happy and they are smiling with pushpa. Ganika mane lilies. Malliga. But what happened? Valmiki ka ek vakya satya. So when Rama is now standing on the bank of Tata, that is there. I am Masaha Chaitra Sriman. On the Aslesha day, on the Chitra Nakshatra, on a Vasanta Rutu, all the forests are asking, Ram Ram, aavo. Prinayamo Vasudevam, Prinayamo Rama Ramam, Rakshasa Mandala Khanda Mandanam. We are waiting so that the egos of Rakshasas will be quelled. Like that, the forest is expecting Rama. Down the road, he is going to see Kamada Giri, Chitrakoot, Kamada Giri. Suvarna Kootam, Rajata Bhikootam, Mahanikya Kootam, Maniratnya Kootam, Aneka Kootam, Bahuvarna Kootam, Sri Chitrakutam, Sharanam Prapadye. Kamadagiri, Kamadanath, वो तो राम के लिए प्रतीक्षा कर रहा है. So third दिन came. क्या चित्रकूट कैसा है? मंदाकिनी तट पे, राम घाट पे, सुवर्णकूटम, कितना सुंदर वाणी, सुवर्णकूटम रजताभिकूटम माणिक्यकूटम मणिरत्नकूटम अनेककूटम बहुधा बहुवर्णकूटम श्री चित्रकूटम. चित्रकूट को श्री के बिना उच्चारण नहीं करना, वो अप्यवाय. श्री चित्रकूटम शरणम प्रवि. दैट इज वेयर परमपिता और माता 11 साल 11 महीने 11 दिन चित्रकूट और चित्रकूट के प्रांत्य में अरण्य में स्वामी तो प्रव्राजित रहे. So he is going to go. Third night passed. Then Lakshmana brings water. ये तो सायं संध्या वंदन के बाद वो स्वीकार किया. Then गुहा, then he wants to go to bed. गुहा, सुमंत्रा और लक्ष्मण जी राम का गुण वर्णन करते हैं. तम जाग्रतम अधम्बेन भ्रातुरार्त्य लक्ष्मणम गुह संतात संतप्तः राघवम वाक्यम अब्रवीत. अधम्बेन सख्यम, विदाउट नो हिपोक्रेसी, विदाउट नो शो. स्वच्छ सत्य, स्वच्छ सख्यम, ट्रू. दैट यू सी in Guga. Tamil poet Periyalvar sings, Varanindha mulai madavai Vaidevi vinnappam Theraninda ayothiyarkon perundevi vinnappam Kooraninda vel guhanodum kangai tannil Seeraninda Shreshthata Sakyam. Seer mane Shreshthata. Seeraninda Thoramai Kundaduvum Oradayalam. It was such a friendship par excellence. Adhambena. Bhraturarthaya, Guruvarthaya, both. For Lakshmana, he is a Bhrata. For Guha and his battalion, he is nothing but Guru, Raja. Tam jagratam adhambena bhraturarthaya lakshmanam guha santata tam taptaha. But Guga, because of true friendship, He could not resist the sorrow. Santapa santaptaha, boiling with sorrow. Raghavam vakyam abravit idar Raghavato Lakshmana Raghukula apatman pumaniti Raghava. It doesn't only refer to Rama. Here it is contextually, it is Lakshmana. Raghavam abravit yam tata sukashaya. Look at this. Adhambena sakyam. Caring for the friend. Like Das has Manikya Vasagam. Yam tata ye parampurush. Sukashaya tvadartam upakalpita. I have put this. Okay, your brother Bhabi aur Brata ji to so gaye. Ye shayya to aapki hai. Yam tata sukashaya tvadartam upakalpita. I have done it very pristine, spotless. Upakalpita pratyasvasiha sadasyam rajaputra yata sukam. You just take relax here. Pratyasva. Take rest, take breath. Iha sadhva, sadhu. Iha sadhu, asyam rajaputra yata sukam. You are a rajaputra. Can you believe? I just went to India, Chennai, and in summer we are not experienced current outage here. There every other day, that too in my place, Westmambalam. I couldn't, but I was born and brought up there, but because I'm used to this comfort, probably 30 years. But look at this. He was a Rajaputra, Sukumara. So I know how difficult it is. So Rajaputra yata sukam uchitaha. Then he says, we are able to take care of all these sufferings because we are like that. Uchitaha ayam janas sarvaha kleshanam tvam sukochitaha. We are used to this suffering. Kleshanam uchitaha vayam. We are all used to this. Whereas I worry about you, Lakshmana, because you are used to only sukha. Uchitayam janas sarve kleshanam tvam sukochitaha guptartam jagrahishyamaha kakustasya vayam nisha. I have to protect, but I promise, here there is a competence. People are doing spardha. Who is going to show their affection, prema and love and kainkarya to Paramapurusha Rama? Nahi Ramati, what will Ramayan give you? What will Ramayan give you? We know that Ayam Akhyanam Ayushyam Ramayanam Naraha. It gives Putra, Pautra, it gives you everything. Then after the Pretya Swarga, Swarge Mahiyati, in Pratama Sarga itself it says Pretya Swarge Mahiyate. So it will give you Putra, Pautra, Ayushyu, Dhanam, everything. Ramayanakyam, it gives everything, trust me. Now, Valmiki makes it a point that you people have come to nearly 2000 slokas in Ayodhya Kanda. In 50th Sarga, we have finished 2000 slokas in Ayodhya Kanda, just in Ayodhya Kanda alone. Imagine, Itna Pavana, Vak Shuddhi. Now, Valmiki reminds us, because this Manushyanam Chalanameva Matihi, we are flickering. I didn't get anything, something happened to me, my health is going away. Trust me, that is prarabdha karma. But this gives you, this 1 hour, 2 hours, gives you such a happiness. So he says, there is nobody who is going to take care of you. I know, Lakshmana, I have to guard Rama because there is no one else who in the world who can take care of us. Nobody is going to be Priyataraha, superlative. Priyaha, Priyatamaha, Priyataraha. Nahi Ramat Priyataraha mamasti bhuvikachana. Bravim ye tat aham. I tell you, don't take it, my words lightly. I am going to do shapat on Satya itself. Satyena satyam ye vachate shape. In front of you, I am not doing satyam in front of you and swearing you or swearing Rama. But I am going to do the swarupa of Rama, which is satyam dharmam. Satyam satyena ye vachate shape. Nahi ramat priyataraha mamasti bhuvikaschana. Braviyametat aham satyam. I am telling, bravimi aham etat satyam satyena te shape. Because I know this Rama, the presence of Rama itself will give you. Etch this sloka. Trust me. In 1 month, somebody is going to get what all they ask for. Trust me. Asya prasadat Ramasya prasadat asamshe lokesmin sumahad yashaha. Guha says, I have it utter determination. Asam say, I hope it will happen. That is Vishwas. Guha says, my son has to clear part 2 chemistry with 90, he will get. Asya prasadat asamshe lokesmin sumadat yashaha dharma avaptim cha vipulam artha. First, you will have confidence. Dharma avapta dharmam. Dharma avaptim cha vipulam artha. Unlimited sukha. Whatever you ask for, new job, new place, forget Ladakh, go somewhere northeast. Dharma avaptim cha vipulam artha. Vipulam artha. Don't be a pauper like me teaching college. Flourish. Dharma avaptim cha vipulam. I have nothing to worry. Ye to गिर आता है मुझे, उसकी मेहरबानी. मैं तो गुजरात अभी पढ़ सकता हूं ना 1 साल में. 7th language. See, dharma avaptim cha vipulam artha avaptim cha kevalam. Not only laukika, dharma, artha, vipulam artha. Trust me, you will get it. Because I trust Ram. Saham priyasakyam Ramam shayanam saha Sita. Why? Because that Rama and Sita are sleeping there. Because of them. Rakshisyami dhanushpanihi sarvataha jnati bissaha. The only thing is, at any cost, don't lose your faith on him. That's the only thing. This is Guha says. Rakshisyami dhanushpanihi jnati bissaha. Ekasvatu na bunjita bundicha. Not only me, my entire battalion jnati bihi saha. Still you are not convinced? Lakshmana, I know nook and crannies of this vana. Nahi me aviditam kinchiti vane asmin charatas sada. I keep walking here even in the night. Even if 4 battalions of Bharata comes, because people have given up hopes, particularly Guha didn't trust Bharata. So he says, even if Bharata brings his Chaturanga Sena, Chaturangamahi api bhalam sumahati prasayemahi. Don't worry, we can protect you and your brother and Babiji. Lakshmanaha tam tada uvacha rakshyamana tvaya nagaha. Because that pure, pristine mind, adhambena sakyam, adhambena guna, Lakshmana spots it. Lakshmana sees. Gangai karayon, navai, nayen adiyen. I am just servant, I am dog, I am dog, I am dog. Lakshmanaha tada uvacha rakshyamana tvaya nagaha. What was the duty of Guha? His duty is to show friendship, non-deceptive friendship, non-expected friendship, nothing expectation, not even Sharan, not even expectation to go to heaven. So, Uvacha Rakshyamana, hey Anaga, Valmiki refers Guha as Dharmameva Anupashyata. You only see Dharmam. What is your dharmam? Your dharmam is to daily do shunt boats from one tir of Ganga to the other tir of Ganga and do your duty, not expecting anything. Karmanyeva adhikara. These are all the things which Krishna imbibes everything from his Purvakatha Ramayana. Guha, all he does is simply goes, drives the boat, takes care of his people, go hunts. That is his vritti. That is his dharma. Dharmameva anupashyata anaga. Because of people like that, because of bhakta like that, Lord is there. How could Lord get that tejas? Swami Nammalvar in Tamil, he says, God's feet is shining. Uyarvara uyarnalam udayavan yavan. Mayarvara madinalam arulinan yavan. Ayarvarum amarargal adipadiyavan. Tuyararu sudaradi. Sudaradi mean tejas. Pada charanau. Dvanda. Why is God's feet shining? It is because of people, bhaktas go and put that shiras on Bhagavata, and that makes his pada to shine stages. So a Parama Bhakta like Prahlada, Parama Bhakta like Dhruva, Parama Bhakta like Guha, they had done that for us. So because of that it is ever shining. Because of that shine we are out of our ajnana. When we are out of our ajnana, when we have affection, bhakti rupa panna jnanat eva moksha. Tuyararu sudar tejasman pada karamau. How? ये व्याख्यान तो ओनली भक्ति पूर्वक रचना कर सकता है. स्वामी रामानुज मुनि ने यही व्याख्यान किया. तुयररु सुडरडी. Why we are all going and flocking the feet of Paramapurusha Ram? Because his padas, Dvi Charanaus shines. Why it shines? Not because of his own tejas. Only because of Bhagavatas. Oh. So the purpose of the Embaraman is Chetana Labham Ishwaranukke. Mumukshupadi. Chetana Labham Ishwara. The Ishwara gets benefit only because of Bhagavata. Only because of Bhagavatas doing Vraja Pradakshina. Only because of Bhagavata during Narmata Pradakshina, Parikrama. Only because of Bhagavatas doing 7 kilometer Kamadagiri Pradakshina. So that is the Labha. Chetana Labham Ishwaranukke. Lakshmanaha tam tada uvacha rakshemanaha tvaya anagaha na atra bhita vayam sarve dharmameva anupasya na bhita vayam. We don't worry. We are safe in the hands of Bhagavatas. Katam dasharatau bhumau shayane saha sitaya shakya nidra maya labdhum jivitam va sukani va ye guha. You are pouring your heart. In this Guha Patala, both there is Bhakti, there is Shastrartha. Since Jitubai ji came today, I will make efforts to do Shastrartha also. Beautiful Shastra Charcha. So, not only Bhakti, Shastra. So, everybody says Guha, oh, Latapate. So, this Guha and his servants, boatmen, like Kevat, which Tulasidas mentions, we think that it is a Sukha Anubhava, Bhakti Sukha Rasa Anubhava. Of course. But there is a Parama Shastrartha here. So, Katam Dasharatau Bhumau Shayane Sakha Sitaya. Hey Guha, you are showing your affection to Ram. But how can I see both my Babiji and Ram Bai sleeping on the trina, on the grass? And how can I keep my life? At least I will keep my life by guarding them. Shakya nidra maya labdum jivitam va sukani va. How can I get sleep? My duty is to be a servant. Yona deva surai sarvai shakya prasahitum yudi tam pasya suka samshushtam trushnena sahasitaya. That guy who is known to quell the ego of Devas and Asuras, both. Yona Deva Surai Sarve Shakya Prasahitum Yudhi. In battle, no one can stand before my father Dasharatha, so no one can stand before my brother. Look at them. Now they are sleeping on the floor, on the Ganges, on the bottom of this Induga tree. Ati, fig tree. It melts my heart. Who is Rama? This concept, Rama, we say, Gunavan Vashi Maduraha Mruduhu Dayaluhu Samasta Kalyana Gunamritaha Mruto Dadihi Vasivadanya Gunavan Rujuhu Shuchihi Maduraha Mruduhu Dayaluhu. स्थिरः समः कृति कृतज्ञः स्वभावतः समस्त कल्याण गुणामृतो दधिः. All praise is guna. He is also a warrior, Kshatriya. This Vyasa points out. In Bhishmastava Rajastotram, Yudhishthira asks Bhishma, who is Rama? Hey Tata, who is Rama? He says, hey, I am telling Rama, this is what Rama, because you are a Kshatriya, don't take Rama for granted. Rama, if you recite Bhishma's Tavaraja Stotram, Sarva Papa will go. He calls Yudhishthira when he is in the Sharatalpa. So two things he advises. One, later he says about in Anushasana Parva, he talks about Vishnu Sahasranama. But prior to that, he gives, that is the reason that is known as Vishnu Sahasranama. But this one is Bhishma's Tavaraja Stava. This is the most important Raja Stotra given by Bhishma in praise of Paramapshreshta Purana Purusha. Rajastavam becomes Bhishma's Stava Raja Stotram. In Shanti Parva mein aata hai. You should do Patana on Bhishma Ekadasi Day. So he says, Beta, I tell you who is Rama. Ramo Dasharatir Bhutva Pulasya Kulanandhana Jagana Ravanam Sankhe. Forget all, Rama is a dutiful son. All he came. Pitur Arte, Guru Arte, Tyakta Rajye. The same Vyasa in Bhagavat says, who is Rama? Pitur Arte, Tyakta Rajye, Vicharatu Vanam, Padmapadya Priyayaha. I never thought things will come. It flows. Uski Marban. Padmapadya Priyayaha Charita Vanam. He says he came to take care of his father's word. No. Bhishma says, Dasharatir Bhutva Pulasya Kulanandana Jagana Ravanam Sankhe. Sankhe, in Yudhi, all the Pulasya Kula people, he wiped them. Who? He is the Atma of every Kshatriya. Kshatratmane namaha namo. Tasmai Kshatratmane namaha namo dasaratir bhutva. Pulasya kulanandana jagana ravanam sankhe. Tasmai Kshatratmane namaha. So, yona devasurai sarve shakya prasayitum yudhi. Tam pashya shuka samvishtam trishneshu sahasitaya. How was he born? 18th Sarga, Balakanda. On a day, he is nothing but Vishnu or Ardham. He is the Amsa of Vishnu. Pituhu Dasaratam Rochaya Masa Pita Putrena Pitruman. He came out of great penance. Don't underestimate him. Yo mantra tapasa labdho vividai cha parisramai yeko dasharatasya yesha putra sadrusha lakshana. He came out of great penance. Yo mantra tapasa labdaha. He has been gotten out of mantra tapas. These words are important. This is like doing Ashwamedha Yaga. Lakshmana says, He came out of Avirbhut Hua because of mantra tapas. Kiski tapas? Rishyasringa Muni ki tapas. Kishki tapas? Vasishta ji ki tapas. Mera purvaj. Vasishta Maitra Varna Kaundinya Gotra Hamari Gotra. Pravara. Vasishta Gotra. Yahi Gotra mein महोमहोपाध्याय पद्म विभूषण रामभद्राचार्य भी जन्म हुआ. चित्रकूट तुलसी पीठ की अध्यक्ष. इतना नाम स्मरण करने में हमारा नाक शुद्ध, मनस शुद्ध. सर्वपाल करपात्री महाराज को स्मरण किया, रामभद्राचार्य जी की स्मरण किया. उसको तो 22 लैंग्वेजेस ही कैन स्पीक एंड राइट. रामभद्राचार्य अभी है. ही डजंट हैव 2 eyes. रामभद्राचार्य जी ने भाष्य किया. प्रस्थान त्रय को अभी भी भाष्य किया. त्रय को अभी भी भाष्य किया संस्कृत में. और एक ही महंत उसको पद्म विभूषण और ज्ञानपीठ अवार्ड मिल रहा. He is the only one who has both Padma Vibhushan और Jnanapith Award. 22 language, Maithili, Brij, Awadhi, संस्कृत, हिंदी, सभी, गुजराती, इतना बोल सकते हैं. विकलांग है, उसको नेत्रहीन है, बट उसको अंतरकरण नेत्र बहुत है. यो मंत्र तपसा लब्धो, उसका तो आश्रम तो चित्रकूट में है. कामदगिरीनाथ, कामदनाथ के फीट पीछे है. यो मंत्र तपसा लब्धा विविधैः च परिश्रमैः एको दशरथस्य येष पुत्र सदृश लक्षणः. There is only one because he was begotten by Dasaratha because of mantra bhala. Why I said that is Vasishtha Gotra. So everybody can say Ramayana, but if you can bring all this relevance, that is Purushartha. See, he belongs to Vasishtha Gotra, and he was the only sant who was asked to go before Supreme Court of India to bring Shastra references to show Ram Lalla was born there. Whatever I tell is Satya. Yo mantra sapasa labdho vividaiche parisramaihi eko, वो तो वशिष्ठ गोत्र के है, हमारी गोत्र. एको दशरथस्य येष पुत्र सदृश लक्षणः, यही गोत्र में परम महान मनवाड़ मामुनि जी का जन्म भी हुआ. हमारा पूर्वज. तमिल देश में श्री वैष्णव में दो आचार्य श्रेष्ठ है. एक तो वेदांत देशिका और दूसरा तो मनवाड़ मामनी. श्रेयस नबी सभी हम तो मनवाड़ मामनी के फॉलोअर्स है. ये मेरा घर में, वो उसका घर में मैं जन्म हुआ. वो तो रंगनाथ जी का गुरु थे. यो मंत्र तपसा लब्धो विविधैश्च परिश्रमैः एको दशरथस्य येष पुत्र सदृश लक्षणः अस्मिन् प्रव्रजतः राजा न चिरं वर्तयिष्यति. Then he is going to tell the truth. My father will not keep his breath. Asmin pravrajatah, because we have come out of pravrajatah, we have come out of Ayodhya. Raja na chiram vartayishyati. Then this world will be devoid of a pati. Raja to Medini ki pati. That too Dasharath. Vidava Medini Noonam. Ye to Lakshman Satyatma. What he tells is going to happen in 2 to 3 days. Vidava Medini Noonam Chipram Yeva Bhavishyati. So my father will go away. This land will be devoid of a true protector, Bharta. Vinadyaha Sumahanadam Sramena Uparata Striyaha. He is going to picture how the Ayodhya is going to be. Because this is among friends. वार्तालाप तो वो रात में राम और सीता सो रहे हैं. सुमंत्र, गुह और लक्ष्मण जी बात करते हैं. So Lakshmana says to Sumantra and Guha, I can see this running before my eyes. Vinadya Sumahanadam. People were yelling, all the Sris. How many wives Dasaratha had? 349 plus 1. Kaikeyi plus 349. Vinadya Sumahanadam Sramen. They yell and yell and yell, cry. Then they get tired. Uparata, it becomes quiet. Uparata mane quiet. Striyaha, after yelling and screaming, they get tired. Nirgosha uparatam tata manye raja niveshanam. This palace, where used to be the Veda Ghosh, which Veda Ram belongs to? Taitriya Upanishad, Taitriya Shaka, Taitriya Yajur Shaka. This reference comes when Rama is departing. Kausalya makes effort to bring the people who do the pattern of Taitriya Yajur Shaka and gives it much benevolence. That all reference we have studied. So it is going to be voiceless, noiseless. Nirgosha aparatam tata. Hey tata, hey Guha, look at this. How was that palace? Always like Hindu temple of Labak. At least on Sundays it is there. No, ye naad hai, Ram ki gosh. When he is there, Sabgat mera saiya, suni sej na koi, balihari vagat ki, jame paragat hoi. Kabir. Sabgat mera saiya. Everywhere he is there. Sabgat. Gat mane sthan. He asked me which language. Ye to avd. Sabgat mera sai. Ye sai. ये परम पिता साई पन पिता. Sabgat mera sai. Suni sej na koi. There is no sej. There is nothing sunya without him. Suni sej na koi. Balihari gatva. He who gets to that thing that Ram is inside me is the most balavan. If that man becomes balavan because paragatu hoi. That Paramatma is in his Atma. That is what I said. This is exactly Kabir said in the slang. Whereas Valmiki is trying his best to bring this to us. He says, Saka, I told you Shastrartha, and I am coming there. Saka, Samasaka, Atma Samasaka. So he is a friend. Anybody can be a friend. Samasaka. How can Rama and Guha be friend? Sama. But he is a Nishad Raja, he is a Yava Raja. So you take it as a friends. Amongst friends, it doesn't matter. Ambani's son, when he studies in Harvard, somebody, a pauper from Uganda may be there, but they are friends. Okay. Saka, then Atma Saka Saka. How can it be Atma Saka? Vahi to, all three Siddhanta will come. Advaita, Visishta Advaita, Dvaita. I explain. Advaita here easy to explain. Because everything is I am Atma Brahma. So Valmiki says, Atma. So you are, the Atma is inside you, me are all. Everything is Maya but for Paramatma. So Atma Advaita mein hota. So it fits well in Advaita. Visishta Advaita mein Shrestata. So who is Paramatma? Paramatmota Antaryami. He is the Niyanta of Atma. He is the resident of Atma. Since I am inside you, Guha, you are Atma Samasaka. Visishtadvaita fit hota hai perfectly. Atma. Visishtasya Advaita iti Visishtadvaita. In union. तत्व तो तीन है चित अचित परमात्मा बट इन यूनियन विशिष्टा इन यूनियन दैट परमात्मा इज द रेसिडेंट ऑफ आत्मा सो इट बिकम्स वन अद्वैता विशिष्ट में बट भिन्न भिन्न में तीन तत्व सो राम से यू आर आत्मसका आत्म समसका यस बिकॉज मैं तो हूं तेरी आत्मा में मैं तो हूं मैं तो नियंता हूं विशिष्टाद्वैत सका भक्ति भाव में सका होता है समझ सका अतीत भक्ति में अधम्बेन भक्ति में ये तो होता है परंतु कैसा होता है आत्मा समझ सका विशिष्टाद्वैत सिद्धांत में परमात्मा तो नियंता आत्मा के अंदर वो नियंता देन हाउ कैन द्वैता ऑल्सो फिस्ट द्वैत में परमात्मा तत्व अलग जीवात्मा तत्व अलग देन व्हेन गुहा सीस रामा वयम प्रेष्यः भवान भर्ता वी आर ऑल योर सर्वेंट्स यू आर माय मास्टर वयम प्रेष्यः भवान भर्ता सो गुह सख्य शास्त्रार्थ गुह सख्य प्रेमार्थ गुह सख्य भक्ति अर्थ विनद्यः सुमहानादं श्रमेण उपरता श्रियाः निर्घोष उपरतं तात मन्ये राजनिवेशनम् कौसल्या चैव राजा च तथैव जननी मम not only Raja will go away, I hope it doesn't happen, but Kausalya may also pass away, including my mother. But I wish it doesn't happen. Kausalya chaiva raja cha tataiva janani mamana ashamse yadi jivanti. But I don't wish that. There again, he's a Adisesha. So his Vakya comes Satya. He says, I don't expect that will happen, but theoretically that may happen. Na asamshe yadi jivanti sarvete sharvarimiva. This night is going to be difficult. Sharvarimiva. Jive tapihi mata. But I'll tell you why now you think my mother will survive. Because my mother survives, Badima Kausalya will survive. Because my mother has not seen my younger brother Ladla Shatrugna for 12 years. So, आकांक्ष करती है शत्रुघ्न को एक बार देखने के लिए, इसीलिए वो जीवित होगी. जीवे तपिहि माता शत्रुघ्नस्य अन्वेक्षया तद्दुःखं यत्तु कौसल्या वीरसूनु. Veerasunu, great word. The mata who begot Veerasunu, the mata who begot Rama. Veda says in Ashwamedha Prashna, Asmin rashte sure jayatam. So when people, elders come, they bless you in Srardha. May victorious son be begot in this house. So she begot Veerasunu. The mata who begot a Veera like Rama. Tad dukkam yattu Kausalya Veerasunu vinashyati. Anurakta jana kirna sukha aloka priyavaha. Raja vyasana samsrishta sapuri vinashyati. Raja krishta. Because Raja Vyasana samsrishta, because of dukkha of the passing away of Ayodhya, Ayodhya did not have any celebration for 14 years. Because Bharata did not even keep his feet in Ayodhya. Ye to Nandigram mein tha. So every day in the evening, they won't even lit the deep diya. Why? Because in the evening after Sayam Sandhya, everybody used to come to Bharata and do Gunagan of Rama. So why should you lit light in Ayodhya dull? You may ask. Only after Pratas Sandhya, they all will go back to Ayodhya. So, they didn't care. 14 years. Ye tapas. Anurakta, because they were fondly attached to Rama. Anurakta. Anurakta jana kirna. Jana sammu akirna. Sukha loka priyavaha raja vyasana samsrishta sa puri vinashyati. That means no light in the city. Ayodhya. Kya Ayodhya tha? Devapuri Navadwara. Ashtachakra Navadwara. In Aranyaka Bhaga, Pratama Sarga mein Ayodhya ka varnan hota hai. Ashtachakra Navadwara Ayodhya. मोक्षपुरी में अयोध्या ही प्रथम है. अयोध्या मथुरा काशी माया अवंतिका. प्रथम मोक्षपुरी तो अयोध्या. अनुरक्त जना कीर्णा सुखा लोक प्रियावह राजव्यसन संसृष्टा सापुरी विनश्यति. कथम पुत्र महात्मानं ज्येष्ठं प्रियम अपश्यता. Who was Rama? Sarvantaryamiya Sarveshu Ramate iti Ramaha. Beautiful. Who is Rama? संस्कृत विद्वान नित्यानंद मिश्रा जी बोलते हैं, ये तो टिप्पणी करता है. Who is Rama? Sarvantaryamitaya Sarveshu Ramate iti. That is what I said. Earlier I said Atma Samasaka. Why? Because he is Sarvantaryamitaya Sarveshu Sarvantaryamitaya Ramate Atma Ramate Ramayate iti Rama. He is the resident Sanskrit though. Itna little bit you just follow me. Sarvantaryamitaya Sarveshu Ramate. He is residing in everybody else which he rejoices. Swayam Ramate iti Ramaha. And then he also makes others happy. Ramayate iti Rama. Understood the difference? Jo bhakta, जो लोक इसके प्रसाद से रमते रम्यते इति रामा. Kalidas goes, he is a Sringara Kavi. Because of his Saundarya. Why? They asked Kalidasa. Why you say Rama is Rama? Because his Saundaryena Ramate. People get attracted to his Saundarya. So Sarvantaryamitaya Sarveshu Ramate iti Ramaha Nityananda Mishra. That I said, Sama, Saka, Samasaka, Atma Saka, Saka. Then how can one let Rama go? Katam putram mahatmanam jeshtam priyam apashyata shariram dharayushyanti prana ragnyo. How can Raja? I know he cannot bear his life. Shariram dharayushyanti pranaha ragnyo mahatmanaha vinashte nripatau paschate kausalya vinashyati anantaram cha matapi mamanasham upaishyati. Then it may happen, but because of my brother Shatrughna, who was Shatrughna? Of all the people, he is mentioned less, but he is the Parama Bhagavata. If you have to get Rama, don't go to Bharata, don't go to Lakshmana. Go and pakad Shatrughna ka pad. Shatrughnaha, Nitya Shatrughnaha. Somebody asked, why are you not seeing Ram in the Kali Yuga? There are two things. Why? Somebody asked, why is there not Hiranyakashipu, Hiranyaksha? Well, Kali Yuga should be the best Yuga because in Satya Yuga mein te Hiranyaksha te, Hiranyakashipu te. Then in Treta Yuga to Raman te, Kumbhakarna te, Karadushan te. Then in Dwapar Yuga to itna te Jarasandh, Shishupal, Kams का वो इतना strength कैसा था उसका तो 1000 हाथियों का strength था. Kams has the capacity of 1000 male elephant. सभी को कृष्ण ने ध्वस्त किया. But why is Kali so important? Why is so Kali bad? ये लोग में तो we know who is the enemy. Because there were only 4 countable enemies. In Satya Yuga mein 4 or 5. In Treta Yuga mein only 1 per se. Maybe 10 in Dwapar Yuga. Either to you can't see enemy. Everybody is enemy to him. Because in everybody inside 2 enemies are inside. Ahankar, Mamakar. Sabhi log mein 6 billion population mein ye Ahankar, Mamakar hai. Isiliye you are not able to control the enemy. If you are not able to control enemy, how can you expect Ram to come? Brijbhumi mein हम तो आज गुजराती पढ़ा, संस्कृत पढ़ा, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, तमिल, अवधी. Why should we leave Brij Bhasha? महान थे मलुकदास. राम मिलन क्यों पाइए? Why are you expecting to see Ram? मोह राखा ढकवन घेरी हो. It's Brij. Radhe Radhe. Moh rakha, you have kept moha, you have kept ahankara. Dhakavan gire ho, you are surrounded by Pakandi. Dhakavan mane Pakandi. Dhakavan gire raho, you have been surrounded always by moh, ahankar, mamakar, and the personification of this ahankar, mamakar by Pakandis. Dhakavan gire rahe. Ram milan kyun paiye, moh rakha, dhakavan gire. Uta Braj Bhasha. Atikrantam anavapyam. Let it happen, let it happen. Don't worry about spilt milk. Ramayan is flat circle text. What happens then is applicable today. Like they say time is a circle, flat circle. What is happening there? You see Kutila Buddhi even today. You saw Kaikeyi, you saw Mantara, you see many in millions. Then dharma be there, otherwise the world will not run. Somebody is donating $5,000 to temple, somebody is donating $10,000 to temple. Somebody comes regularly. So dharma is also there. So Ramayana is a text which is flat circle. Atikrantam, let it go, let it go. Don't worry about spilt milk. Guha, I know my father will die. That is vidhi, let it go. Atikrantam, atikrantam, let it go, let it go. Anavapya manoratam rajye ramam anikshipya pita me vinishyati vinasishyati. Pita me pita vinasishyati Rama anikshipya. He is not able to give Rajya to my brother. So he is caught in the middle of Dharma Pasha. So he has to keep the word of Kaikeyi, and he said he will crown my brother. So he is caught in the middle. So the only solution is Pranatyag. One sarga. Atikrantam, atikrantam, anavapya manoratam, rajye ramam, anikshipya pitame, vinasishyati siddhartha pitaram vrittam, tasmin kale hi upasthite. Only prapa we did is, we are not able to do Antima Samskara. Can you believe? That was the Vidhi. Even for Parabrahma, he is not able to do that Samskara, which is the most important thing. If you do a Preta Samskara for another Preta, it is considered to be as equal to Ashwamedha. In Kali Yuga, you cannot do Ashwamedha. But if you do Preta Samskar for Anath, it gives you the phala of Ashwamedha Samskara. Here we have Rama, Jeshta Putram, Putram Jeshtam Priyam. He could not even see the Preda of the father. Siddhartha Pitaram Vrittam Tasmin Kal. That also he says. Preta Karyeshu Sarveshu Samskarisyanti Bhumipe. Dhanya ho Bharat. Mera bhrata, Pujaniya Bharat. Preta Karyeshu Sarveshu Samskarishyati Bhumibam. How was Ayodhya? How was that Ayodhya, and how is it going to be without my father? Beautifully, he pours out his Sukhanubhavam, we will get by this sloka on Ayodhya. Ramya Chatvara Sansthanam Suvibhakta Mahapatam Harmya Prasada Sampannam Ganika Varashobhitam Rata Asva Gaja Sambandham Turyanada Vinaditam Sarva Kalyana Sampurnam Grishta Pushta Janakulam Arama Udhyana Sampannam Samaja Utsava Shalinim Sukita Vicharashyanti Raja Sukita Vicharashyanti Raja Danim Piturmama. Beautiful Sanskrit. Ramya Chatvara, it is all 4 streets everywhere lighted. Ramya Chatvara Samsthanam Suvibhakta Mahapatam. Vibhakta, Suvibhakta. Split. So there was fast lane, slow lane, middle lane. Ayodhya has Suvibhakta Mahapatam. Vibhakta mane split. Well split, well laid roads. Harmya Prasada Sampannam. Beautiful balconied houses. Ganika Varashobhitam. 2 anta you can do. Ganika mane Mallika Pushpa. So all the houses were having Mallika Pushpa tree plant. At Ganika mane counselor. So it is flooded with both. You can take either way. That is the beauty of Sanskrit. Rata Asva Gaja Sambhadam Turyanada Vinaditam. Rata Asva. All chariot noises, horse and hathi. Sarva Kalyana Sampurnam. It's full of Mangala. Hrishta Pushta Janakulam. People were happy, people were healthy. Hrishta Pushta. Arama Udhyana parks everywhere. Arama Udhyana Sampannam. Samaja Utsava Shali. This is very important. People always congregated. Samaja Utsava Shalinim. Sukita Vicharashyanti. It was always in the happy mood. Rajadanim Piturmama api jivet Dasharato Vanavasat Punarvayam Pratyagamya Mahatmanam api Pashyem. I don't think my father will survive and he will see us after 14 years. Api Satya Pratignena Sardam Kushalina Vayam Nrivirte Vanavasesmin Ayodhya. But we are determined. Kushalina, with safety, we will deliver the words of my father. Nivritte vanavasesmin ayodhyam pravishe mahe paridevayamanasya dukkartasya mahatmana tishtanti rajaputrasya sharvari. Lakshmana was making this vilalapa and he was standing Sumantra was listening, Guha was listening. Tishtataha Rajaputrasya Sharvari Satyava. They didn't sleep. Whole night they were singing about Ramaguna. They were singing about the good old yesterdays. Tatahi Satyam Bruvati Prajahite Narendrasya. So, the Sarga is going to come to end. Valmiki deliberately makes a plan to extend the meter. Tatahi Satyam Bruvati Prajahite Narendrasya putre guro sauhrdad guha mumocha bhashpam vyasana bipiditaha jwaratura naghaiva vyatatura. Guha could not bear this. Valmiki gives you upamana as if a big mata gaja was hit by that mahot and it got jwara. Jwaratura nagaiva. Naga means here male elephant. Jwaratura nagaiva. It was boiling in that pain. It was not able to control the pain because of the jwara, because of the mahut hit. Vyatatura, atura, vyata. Not able to control the pain. He was pouring the eye shears. Mumocha bhashpam vyasana bipidita. Struck by sorrow, Guha could not see this. Tatahi satyam bruvati prajahite. Prajahite Lakshmanaha bruvati. Shravan. He was listening to Prajahite Lakshmana, singing about the sorrowness in Ayodhya, singing about the guna. Tata hi satyam bruvati Prajahite Narendrasya putraha guro sauhrudat guha. Guro sauhrudat. Because of the affection, adhambena affection. That's what I said. Without no hypocrisy, non-deceitfully, non-deceptive. Everywhere you can take it. Guruhu sauhridate guha. Being so bonded to Rama and Lakshmana. Tata hi satyam bruvati prajahite narendrasya putre guru sauhridat guha mumocha bhashpam vyasana bipidita jwaratura naghaiva vyathatura. Rama bharoso Ram bhale Ram naam Biswasu sama samirata Shubha Mangala Kushala Mangata तुलसीदास. राम के ऊपर भरोसा रखो. हरि अनंत, हरि कथा अनंत, राम अनंत, राम कथा अनंत. पवमान सुदुडुपाटु पादार विंदमुलकु नीनाम रूपमुलकु नित्य जय मंगलम. मंगलम कौशलेन्द्राय महनीय गुणात्मने चक्रवर्ती तनुजाय सार्वभौमाय मंगलम. मंगलानि संतु शुभम.